So I am lactose intolerant, model 2. But anyway, long story short is we're gonna try this. This is hopefully because you can't get it in Australia. My husband really wanted me to taste it. It's made from Whitakers chocolate. Oh, that's why. Okay, come here. Come here. Why? What is happening? All I can hear is you thumping on the floor. Okay. Yes. So we're gonna try some of this. Okay. Wait. Waiting. Okay. We've got a glass here. Da, 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 da. Let me try that. You know what? Yes. Yes. I like that. I give that a 12 out of 10. 12 out of 10. You can have some too. That one is a winner. Okay, I'm back because I realized I didn't even know what this is. This is, look here, family. Okay, this is Lewis Road Creamery fresh chocolate milk, the original, made with chocolate from Whitakers. This, I love this. That's the first time I've actually had it, and yes, 100%. 10 stars, 12 out of 10 recommendation. So yes, just wanted to make sure that I actually say the name because is this our second bottle? Our second bottle. Chocolate milk. You wanna try?
Chocolate milk?
Yeah, chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk?
Yes, chocolate milk. Would you like some? Come. Is that yummy?
Yummy.
Oh. Is that yummy? Okay. Goodbye to my cup.
So tasty.
Okay. Okay, we are gonna try Lewis Road Creamery's lime milkshake, fresh flavored milk. Let's see how that goes. I can smell lime. It's not bad. It's actually likable. Has an interesting taste. How do you like it?
It tastes like the ice cream.
Like the ice, that's it. It tastes like the, is it the lime ice cream?
Yeah.
It tastes like the lime ice cream. I would give it a 6, 7. 7. It's not bad. All right, good morning. It is, we leave on an airplane in, okay, good morning. We're leaving to Australia today, this morning. No, sorry, at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Anyway, I wanted to talk about how we don't have these milks in Australia, but as I didn't know what the hype was before I got here about these milks, my husband told me that like the milks are just awesome here. And one thing I know is in Australia I don't really like chocolate milk or any of the flavored milk, to be honest. There's nothing really that I like because it just tastes, it's not like creamy and rich. So this is the lactose free version. 10 out of 10. Love it. Doesn't taste much different from the full cream one, which I did scull and then had to take a pill. This I said tasted great, and then I had this yesterday. My husband is not a fan because it is caramel and butterscotch. So this is the Lewis Road Creamery milks, I give them a like straight 10 out of 10. I loved them all. And the caramel and butterscotch one I liked because it had like a salted caramel kind of taste. And then you've got Puhoi Valley's chocolate milk, and this one I actually enjoyed as well. I tried it in Auckland and I was like, oh, I'm not sold on it because I was like, I like this one better. But one thing about this one is you have to shake it, okay? Like you have to shake it. Otherwise, it's not going to be as chocolatey and rich. But it's still like awesome. This one has, I feel like it has like a richer taste and more chocolatey. And I loved this one too. So I recommend both of them. So that is my review. Go get yourself some and try it when you're in New Zealand. My husband had some, so I left like this much and he drank that much, but now I'm gonna have some. Okay, ta-da! Ta-da! It's beautiful. It's okay. Into it. It is an oven light, made for the oven. We're gonna have to get some more. Lactose intolerant where? I'll regret it later. I will, but this is so good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.